as you can see, I'm in the car and Miguel is with me too. And we are on the way to our new place. Today we're going to check it out. The previous tenant has moved out and the landlord said we can go check it out to see if there's anything that is broken that needs to be fixed, or if there's any furniture that we might want to get rid of that or that we need, and we're going to measure some of the things so we have an idea of what of our current furniture that we have will fit and what will not fit. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a new place.
Yes. We're not so excited about having to clean the place, but we are excited about the little garden that we're going to have in the rooftop. We have arrived, at least in the futon. I'm gonna just fill the wall. It's a long one. Whew, it's really hot out today. But I am on the rooftop. That is going well. That is now our rooftop, and that we are renting. Behind me are some little things that we want to keep, and then they're hopefully gonna take all of this stuff all away because it's all broken. Maybe they'll replace it. But yeah, keeping some chairs and a plant holder. That's all trash. I really like how bright the living room is and the kitchen. So that's a window, here's a window, and then we have a skylight, and we have all of this area. It's dirty now. I don't know if you can see it, but inside it's really dirty right now. They really didn't clean up. But the landlord will do a lot of repairs. They'll fix this, one of the skylights that's entirely broken. They're going to clean it up, they're going to paint the walls, so hopefully, and like take all the trash out. So it should look much better once we start moving. And we brought like our notebook and a measuring tape, so we measured some things to see if we can bring all of our furniture that we have, or if we have to leave some behind. For now it seems that we can bring almost everything and that we can place it in like proper places where it makes sense. Once this whole place is like cleaned up, painted, I think it will be very nice. We got to the new place again, and they have done a lot of work. First of all, they threw everything out that we didn't want anymore, and they painted the walls. They behind me fixed the wardrobe because one of the doors was not working. What else did they do? Yeah, they painted everything.
Got rid of the mattress.
Yes, they still need to clean the floor and everything, but that's okay. They also cleaned the garden. They got rid of all the compost. And then they also fixed this. So this is not really a skylight. I mean, it's kinda, but it goes to the first floor or second floor. So they repaired the glass. The glass was all broken and shattered on the floor. And there you can see the kitchen. And then Ai, who is now cleaning the whole place. They emptied the whole thing out. They painted these walls too. The move has commenced. We're going over again. It's early in the morning today. The movers are not coming until like 2 days later, but we're going to do some more cleaning, paint a wall, and I'm going to start moving over some of my plants. First box ready. It's 10 plants. So we decided to paint one wall, the one right behind me. It's the bedroom wall, and we chose like a olive green, and we're about to.
We hope we like it.
Yeah, we're about to open it. All right, here we go. Maybe here we go.
Oh yeah, they're in bags. I always forget when they put them in bags. Well, I hope it's not this color green.
That's a bit different than what we thought, right? Hopefully
it dries lighter. I'm about to make a mess. I can feel it already.
Do you need another thing under your...
I'm just gonna poke a hole.
Alright.
And I'm gonna pour it into the pan. And then the rest will go in the bucket. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I think it'll be okay once it's on the wall.
I think it'll be lighter on the wall.
Yeah. So we just painted the wall and the first coat is on and I really like it. It's quite green. It's a nice forest green. We were going for more of an olive green, but I guess, like Miguel said earlier, well, I guess olives are dark green too. So let's show you what it looks like right now. So here is the brick wall and then it's all green. And then we thought we were going to paint that green as well, but we decided just to go up there. Otherwise it might be too dark, and we also don't know if we are going to have enough paint because it will need a second layer, as you can see. And we like it because it matches with the wood paneling and the bricks, and the bed frame is like a light wood. So yeah, it should look nice. Miguel wants to have a mural going here now. We worked hard today, we painted, we cleaned, and now the only thing that's missing is a cold drink. It's a new day and the wall dried up good enough, yeah. Just at the bottom it's a little bit spotty, but that's where we will put the bed, and then it should be fine. It also doesn't have to be perfect. We just wanted it to give it some color. And then I already started moving in some clothes. And there's Miguel, who just mopped the floor. And then he did a lot of cleaning in the bathroom today too. All right, the bed is gonna go there. Look at that. Black. We just took out the filters. I'll show you the filters later before we clean them. They were never cleaned before. So no wonder it wasn't really getting hot here. Cold. It was staying hot. This is why we don't like moving. We decided to take a look at the AC. Oh, because it wasn't really getting cool. Oh. Here, let me hold this. Oh. Good thing we had a...
I can't even see you.
No, I can't see you. Good thing we hadn't cleaned this place yet. Really. Filters are ready to go back in. Look at how clean they are now. Today's moving day. I look a little bit like a mess. But I wanted to show you what are the reasons that we are moving. So let me go into this little patio area and show you. So of course it's a little messy because yeah, we're moving. But look, it's the worst day to be moving actually because it's pouring rain. You can see my compound now. Look, it's coming down. And this, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this is all water. It's all water that has been coming in through the walls. And you can see how they tried to caulk it. They did that not too long ago, but of course they did a shitty job. So yeah, one of the reasons for moving is because they kind of refuse to fix things properly. They do a cheap job, and then this is what we have to deal with when it rains. Oh boy. There we go. We have to happen to be right behind the truck. See who gets there faster. I tried to talk to the community management to see if they could open this little fence, but unfortunately they wouldn't open it for us. So the driver is gone, and we had been lifting everything up over this green fence, and now these workers who are working in Hutong have permission to open it and like take out their construction junk. Yes, great. Just a little too late for us. So here I am on my rooftop. We're all settled in, we're moved in, but because of the move and a lot of other things, I did not have the chance to upload a video sooner. After the move, we had to do a lot of unpacking and cleaning. We went on a mini vacation, and I got issues with my elbows. That all of that took up a lot of time, but we're back on track. So in the next video, I will show you where we went on a mini trip, and I will tell you more about what happened to my elbow. So after the video of the vacation and what happened to my elbow, I will put up a house tour so you can see what the house looks like now after we cleaned everything and they took all the trash out. If you don't want to miss those videos, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because then you'll get notified when those videos are up. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.